Alicia Fox. Victoria Elizabeth Crawford, born June 30, 1986, is an American professional wrestler, former model and occasional actress who is currently signed to WWE under the ring name Alicia Fox, performing on the Raw brand. She is the longest tenured female performer, having been with the company since 2006 while being on the main roster since 2008. Crawford debuted on SmackDown on June 13, 2008, using the Alicia Fox name and the gimmick of a wedding planner. In November, she moved to the ECW brand, where she managed DJ Gabriel. The following year, Fox began challenging for the WWE Divas Championship, which she won in June 2010, holding the title for 2 months, becoming the first and only African American Divas champion in WWE history. In October 2014, she began starring in the reality television series Total Divas on E! As part of the main cast. Early life. Crawford was born in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida, on June 30, 1986. Professional wrestling career. World Wrestling Entertainment / WWE. Ohio Valley Wrestling, 2006-2007. In 2006, Crawford signed a developmental contract with World Wrestling Entertainment, WWE, and was assigned to Ohio Valley Wrestling, OVW, WWE's then developmental territory. She debuted on July 1, 2006, as a special guest referee, under her real name, in a match between Shelly Martinez and ODB. On September 6, Crawford made her in-ring debut, under the new ring name Tori, in an OVW Women's Battle Royal, in which she was eliminated by ODB. She spent the following month competing regularly in both singles and tag team matches, against opponents including Mickie James, ODB, and Katie Lee. In late September, she began managing Elijah Burke, accompanying him to the ring for matches against Chet the Jet. At the OVW television tapings on October 18, having reverted to her real name, Crawford challenged Beth Phoenix for the OVW Women's Championship, but lost following interference from Serena Deeb. 2 days later, on October 20, Crawford won a gauntlet match at an OVW house show to win the OVW Women's Championship. The following night, however, Crawford lost the championship back to Phoenix, who won an 8-woman elimination match. Crawford's championship win is unrecognized by OVW, and the promotion considers Phoenix's 2 reigns as champion as a single, uninterrupted reign. Crawford continued to feud with Phoenix in early 2007, facing her in several tag team matches, in which Phoenix teamed with ODB and Crawford teamed with Lee or Deeb. Simultaneously, Crawford participated in the Miss OVW contest, which was won by ODB. Crawford had a series of matches with Milena Rauca in April, before moving on to a feud with Maryse Ouellet. Her final appearance in OVW was on July 21, when she participated in a 3-way match for the OVW Women's Championship, which was won by ODB. Florida Championship Wrestling, 2007-2008. Crawford debuted for WWE's new developmental territory Florida Championship Wrestling, FCW, on September 2, 2007, participating in a best body contest. Her FCW in-ring debut came on September 25, where she and Natty Neidhart defeated the Bella Twins, Brianna and Nicole, in a tag team match. She quickly began feuding with the Bella Twins, while allying herself with Neidhart. The Bella Twins defeated Crawford and Neidhart on 2 consecutive occasions, and on October 23, Crawford lost to Nicole in a singles match. A week later, she and Sheamus O'Shaughnessy were defeated by Brianna and Kofi Kingston in a mixed tag team match. In December, Crawford teamed with Tommy Taylor in a loss to Brianna and Robert Anthony. The feud continued into 2008, with the Bellas defeating Crawford and Maryse Ouellet on January 8 and Crawford and Neidhart on January 19 and 29. Following the completion of the feud, Crawford began competing regularly against her former tag team partner, Neidhart. Neidhart won their first singles encounter on February 5 and was on the winning side of a tag team match on February 23, before Crawford won a singles match against her on February 26. Following her debut on SmackDown, Crawford changed her ring name to Alicia Fox. She began managing Jack Gabriel in September, and teamed with Gabriel in mixed tag team matches against Mike Cruel and Wesley Holiday and Gabe Tuft and Melina, while continuing to compete in singles competition as well. Fox competed in the Queen of FCW tournament between December 2008 and February 2009, defeating Jenny Quinn and Tiffany en route to the final, where she lost to Angela Fong. Main roster debut and brand switches, 2008-2010. Crawford debuted on WWE's main roster on the June 13, 2008 episode of SmackDown, as Alicia Fox, in a backstage segment with Vickie Guerrero, which saw her portraying Guerrero and Edge's wedding planner. During their wedding reception the following month, Triple H revealed Edge kissing Fox the day before the wedding on camera. Fox involved herself in the WWE Championship match at the Great American Bash when she attempted to help Edge, but she was stopped by Guerrero. The confusion surrounding her interference caused Edge to accidentally spear Guerrero. After a 3-month hiatus from television, Fox resurfaced on the November 18 episode of ECW, managing English wrestler DJ Gabriel, in a fan-favorite role. Their on-screen association was explained by WWE claiming that Fox had moved her wedding planning business to England during her hiatus from WWE television, where she had met Gabriel. Gabriel and Fox began feuding with the Burkill siblings, Paul and Katie Lee, in late December 2008. Fox made her ECW in-ring debut on January 6, 2009, in a loss to Katie Lee. The following week, Gabriel and Fox defeated the Burkill siblings in a mixed tag team match, giving Fox her first win as part of the brand. In March, Fox and Gabriel feuded with Tyson Kidd and Natalya, with Natalya defeating Fox on March 3 episode of ECW. Fox competed in the 25 Diva Battle Royal at WrestleMania XXV on April 5, which was ultimately won by Santina Marella. Fox was drafted to the SmackDown brand as a part of the 2009 supplemental draft on April 15. She made her in-ring debut as a villainess on the April 30 episode of WWE Superstars, teaming with Michelle McCool to defeat Maria and Gail Kim. After winning her debut match, Fox aligned herself with Michelle McCool, with the pair teaming together in tag team matches as well as accompanying each other to the ring for singles matches. Fox was in the corner of McCool when McCool won the WWE Women's Championship at the Bash. On June 29 it was announced that Fox had been traded to the Raw brand. The following week, she made her Raw debut in a tag team match, teaming with Maryse against Gail Kim and Mickie James in a losing effort. She gained her first victory on Raw on July 13, when Fox, Maryse, and Rosa Mendez won a 6-diva tag team match. Fox picked up her first pinfall victory by defeating Kelly Kelly during a tag team match on the July 20 episode of Raw. On the August 10 episode of Raw, Fox was involved in a fatal 4-way match to determine the number 1 contender for the WWE Divas Championship, but was unsuccessful. The following month, on September 14, she defeated Gail Kim to become the number 1 contender to the Divas Championship. She received a match for the championship at Hell in a Cell against Mickie James on October 4, but was unsuccessful. Fox became the number 1 contender to the Divas Championship again on the November 2 episode of Raw, by winning a battle royal which involved the Bella Twins, Eve Torres, Gail Kim, and Kelly Kelly. She challenged Melina 2 weeks later for the championship, but was unsuccessful. Melina then vacated the Divas Championship due to injury, and a tournament was set up to determine the new champion in early January 2010. Fox defeated Kelly Kelly in the first round of the tournament, but later lost to Gail Kim in the semi-finals. Fox was on the winning team in a 10-diva tag team match at WrestleMania XXV, but on the losing side the following night in a rematch on Raw. On the April 5 episode of Raw, Fox was involved in a Dress to Impress Battle Royal to determine the number 1 contender to the WWE Divas Championship, but was unsuccessful, and the match was won by Eve Torres. In May 2010, Fox began a storyline with Zack Ryder, after he requested that she and Gail Kim be ringside on several occasions to watch his matches, so he could impress them and find a new valet. During his match with Evan Bourne on May 10, Fox interfered on Ryder's behalf, but was stopped by Gail Kim. The following week, Bourne and Kim defeated Ryder and Fox in a mixed tag team match. After the match, the evil Fox attacked Ryder in order to collect a bounty from the Raw guest host, Ashton Kutcher. Divas Champion and NXT, 2010-2011. On June 20, 2010, at the Fatal 4-Way pay-per-view, Fox competed in a Fatal 4-Way match for the WWE Divas Championship, which also involved Gail Kim, Eve Torres, and Maryse. Fox pinned Maryse to win the championship for the first time, and as a result became the first and only African-American diva to win the title. In her first title defense, on the July 5 episode of Raw, Fox successfully defended the championship against Eve after feigning an ankle injury, and as a result, Eve was granted a rematch at Money in the Bank by Raw's anonymous general manager, where Fox was again able to retain the championship. In August, Melina returned from an injury and attacked Fox, after the latter declared herself to be undefeatable and the greatest champion in history. After defeating Fox in a non-title match on Raw, Melina was granted a title shot, on August 15, at SummerSlam, which she won, ending Fox's reign at 56 days. On August 31, Fox was announced as the mentor of Maxine for the all-female third season of NXT, but Maxine failed to win the competition, and was the second rookie diva to be eliminated. Fox received a rematch for the Divas Championship against Melina on the September 6 episode of Raw, which she lost. In December, Fox competed in a battle royal to determine the winner of the Diva of the Year Slammy Award, but was eliminated by Natalya, and also took part of a triple threat number 1 contenders match, which was won by Melina. Various feuds, 2011-2013. On April 26, 2011, Fox was drafted back to the SmackDown brand as part of the 2011 supplemental draft, and in her first match back for the brand, acting as a villainess, she was defeated by Layla and suffered a shoulder injury. On the May 27 episode of SmackDown, in her return, Fox and Tamina Snuka defeated the team of Caitlyn and AJ Lee, which later transitioned into a feud between the two sets of divas, with Fox and Tamina regularly winning tag team matches and allying with Rosa Mendez. The alliance between Fox and Tamina ended on the August 11 episode of WWE Superstars, when Fox defeated Tamina in a singles match. After a tag team match, which they lost, on the August 19 episode of SmackDown, Fox was attacked by Natalya, which provoked a feud between the two. She began acting as a face while wrestling alongside several different divas to face Natalya and Beth Phoenix, collectively known as the Divas of Doom, in tag team matches, and also regularly competing against them in singles matches. As part of the storyline, Fox also prevented Natalya and Phoenix from attacking other divas, including Kelly Kelly and AJ. The storyline continued sporadically throughout the first half of 2012, with Fox losing tag team and singles matches to Phoenix and Natalya. Fox spent the remainder of 2012 and early 2013 competing in sporadic matches, usually on the losing side. In mid-2013, Fox appeared on the rebooted NXT, entering a tournament to determine the inaugural NXT Women's Champion, where she defeated Bayley in the first round, but lost to Paige in the semi-finals. Total Divas Storylines, 2013-2016. In September, Fox took part of the WWE Divas champion AJ Lee's team, which feuded with the cast of the Total Divas reality television show, which led to a traditional 7-on-7 Survivor Series match, in which Fox was the first to be eliminated, courtesy of Naomi. Since January 2014, Fox formed a tag team with Axana, later dubbed Foxana. On April 6, Fox competed at WrestleMania XXX in the 14 Diva Vicky Guerrero Invitational match for the WWE Divas Championship, which was won by the defending champion AJ Lee. After that, Fox started a feud with the newly crowned WWE Divas champion Paige, losing to her in a series of matches on Raw, Main Event, and WWE Superstars. Her losses provoked a storyline, in which she lost her temper after matches, taunting the ring announcers, ringside crew, and crowd and defacing the ringside area. Fox was eventually able to defeat Paige on Raw on May 19 in a non-title match and celebrated by taking Jerry Lawler's crown afterwards. Her victory set up a title match between the two at Payback, on June 1, which Fox lost. Following a further loss to Paige on June 9, Fox attacked tag team partner Axiom, before defeating her in a match on SmackDown, officially disbanding Foxina. After a hiatus, Fox returned to WWE television, on the September 29 episode of Raw, where she defeated AJ Lee, with the help of her former rival Paige, and subsequently, formed an alliance with her, and went on to pick up another win over AJ on October 20. However, when Fox inadvertently cost Paige a title match at Hell in a Cell, Paige dissolved the alliance by attacking her the following night on Raw. This prompted a traditional 4-on-4 elimination tag team match, with each captaining a side, at the Survivor Series pay-per-view in November, where Fox's team won the match with a clean sweep. In January 2015, Fox developed a rivalry with Naomi, during which she formed a brief alliance with The Miz and Damien Mizdow, and the trio went on to defeat Naomi and the Usos in a series of mixed tag team matches. On the April 13 episode of Raw, Fox competed in a number 1 contenders battle royal for Nikki Bella's WWE Divas Championship, which would be won by Paige. On the June 15 episode of Raw, Fox was a part of the Divas that Paige tried to rally in an attempt to take a stand against the Bella Twins and join her, but no one accepted the offer. 3 days later on SmackDown, Fox assisted Brie Bella in her match against Paige, and thus aligning herself with the Bella Twins and formed Team Bella. After weeks of Team Bella outnumbering Paige, Naomi, and Tamina, Stephanie McMahon called for a revolution in the WWE Divas division by introducing the debuting Charlotte and Becky Lynch as Paige's allies, and NXT Women's Champion Sasha Banks aligning with Naomi and Tamina, leading to a brawl between the 3 teams. The 3 teams would ultimately face off, on August 23, at SummerSlam in a 3-team elimination match. Team Bella would first eliminate Team BAD when Brie Bella pinned Tamina, however Team PCB would win the match after Brie was pinned by Becky Lynch. On the August 25 episode of Tough Enough, Fox make a special appearance on the finale of the 6th season, wrestling finalists Amanda and eventual winner Sarah Lee. While Nikki Bella was off television with an injury, Fox spent the remainder of 2015 competing occasionally in singles matches and tag team matches with Brie Bella. On the March 14, 2016 episode of Raw, Fox and Brie were defeated by Team BAD following a distraction provided by Lana. After this match, Team Bella quietly disbanded and both Fox and Brie transitioned into fan favorites. On the March 22 episode of Main Event, she and Natalya accompanied Paige to her match against Naomi, where Paige was defeated following a distraction provided by Summer Rae and a returning Emma. The following week, Fox, Brie, and Natalya accompanied Paige to her rematch against Emma on the March 28 episode of Raw. After the match, she along her allies were attacked by Team BAD, before they were saved by a returning Eva Marie. As a result, a 10-diva tag team match between Team Total Divas, Bella, Fox, Natalya, Eva Marie, and Paige, and the newly dubbed Team BAD and Blonde, Naomi, Tamina, Lana, Emma, and Summer Rae, was announced for the WrestleMania 32 pre-show. On April 3, Fox's team emerged victorious at the event after Naomi submitted to Bella. Relationship with Noam Dar, 2016-2017. After being drafted to Raw as part of the 2016 WWE Draft which took place on July 19, Fox made her first appearance for the brand on August 15, where she was defeated by Charlotte Flair. On the September 5 episode of Raw, Fox was involved in a backstage confrontation with Nia Jax, resulting in a match between the two on the September 12 episode of Raw, which would end in a no contest after Jax speared Fox through the ringside barricade. On September 25, a rematch took place at Clash of Champions, where Fox was defeated. After suffering a streak of losses, Fox scored a victory over Dana Brooke on the November 4th episode of Superstars. On the November 7th episode of Raw, Fox was announced as one of the participants in the 5-on-5 traditional Survivor Series women's elimination match at Survivor Series from her brand's team, before winning a 6-woman tag team match along with her fellow team partners. At the event on November 20th, Fox's team emerged victorious after Bayley pinned Becky Lynch. On the December 6th episode of 205 Live, Fox started an on-screen relationship with Cedric Alexander by kissing him before his match against Noam Dar, in which Alexander was defeated. Dar dedicated his victory to Fox. 2 weeks later on Raw, Fox accompanied Alexander in a rematch against Dar, where he was victorious. Dar attempted to seduce her again afterwards. On January 10, 2017, Alexander severed ties with Fox on 205 Live after she interfered during his match with Dar, costing him the match and turning into a villainess. Subsequently, Fox became Dar's new valet. On June 4, Fox and Dar were defeated by Rich Swann and Sasha Banks in a mixed tag team match at Extreme Rules. On the July 11th episode of 205 Live, Dar broke up with Fox after he lost to Alexander in an I Quit match. Return to singles competition, 2017-2018. Throughout the summer, Fox competed in different matches in all of which she ended up being on the losing side. In October, Fox reignited her feud with Sasha Banks, after she lost to Banks on Raw and attacked her backstage afterwards. This led to a rematch between the two, that took place at the TLC Kickoff show, in which Banks once again defeated Fox via submission. The following night on Raw, Fox defeated Banks and Bayley to become the team captain of the Raw women's team for Survivor Series. During the 5-on-5 elimination tag team match, Fox was eliminated by Naomi, however, her team was victorious. In December, Fox faced off with the recently debuted Asuka, whom she was unsuccessful in defeating. Fox was scheduled to participate on the first Women's Royal Rumble match at Royal Rumble on January 28, 2018, but was pulled off the event following an injury. She was replaced by Mandy Rose in the Mixed Match Challenge. Alliance with Alexa Bliss and Mickie James, 2018-present. 6 months after being off television, on the June 25, 2018, episode of Raw, Fox appeared in a backstage segment being welcomed back by Bayley. 2 weeks later, in her first match back, Fox teamed with Dana Brooke in a match against Sasha Banks and Bayley. However, the match ended in a no contest after a brawl started outside the ring between the two duos. In July, Fox started an alliance with Alexa Bliss, who helped her defeat Natalya. After a post-match attack on Ronda Rousey, who was at ringside for Natalya, Fox was announced to be Rousey's first singles opponent. A week later, Fox competed against Rousey in a losing effort, which served as the main event of Raw, marking Fox's first main event match of her career. In October, while Alexa Bliss and Mickie James started a feud with WWE Hall of Famers Trish Stratus and Lita, Fox began teaming up with Jinder Mahal as they were announced as participants in the upcoming Season 2 of Mixed Match Challenge. James and Bliss were supposed to face Stratus and Lita at WWE Evolution, the first ever all-women's pay-per-view. However, just 3 days before the event, on October 25, it was announced that Bliss was pulled off the match due to a concussion she suffered beforehand and Fox will replace her. At the event, Fox and James lost to Stratus and Lita after Stratus pinned James. In December, Fox and Jinder Mahal defeated Ember Moon and Curt Hawkins in the quarterfinals and Bayley and Apollo Crews in the semi-finals to qualify to the finals of the tournament. At the TLC, Tables, Ladders and Chairs pay-per-view, Fox and Mahal lost to Carmella and R-Truth in the finals of the Mixed Match Challenge after Carmella submitted Fox. Throughout the rest of 2018, with Bliss out of in-ring competition, Fox was paired with Mickie James as the two continued to team up in various matches. On January 27, 2019, at the Royal Rumble, Fox competed in her first Women's Royal Rumble match, where she entered at number 18 and lasted over 6 minutes and eliminated Maria Kanellis, before she was eliminated by Ruby Riott. It was reported that on February 10, 2019, Fox showed up to a live event intoxicated. The producer for the match, Arn Anderson, was blamed for allowing her to wrestle in that condition. Due to this, he was fired for it after working for WWE since 2001. Her first appearance since was at WrestleMania 35's WrestleMania Access in April. In her return to in-ring action, Fox lost to Becky Lynch on the April 22 episode of Raw. Other media. Fox made guest appearances for the reality television show Total Divas produced by WWE. During the first 2 seasons, which began airing in July 2013. In October 2014, she joined the main cast of the program for the second half of the 3rd season, which began airing in January 2015. In 2013, she made an appearance on the television series Cupcake Wars, as a guest judge along with Layla. The following year, Fox and The Miz presented an award at Cartoon Network's Hall of Game Awards. Fox made her acting debut by guest starring in 2 episodes of sci-fi series Dominion that aired in July 2015. Fox has appeared in 7 WWE video games. She made her in-game debut in WWE SmackDown vs Raw 2011 and appears in WWE 12, DLC, WWE 13, WWE 2K16, WWE 2K17, WWE 2K18 and WWE 2K19. In July 2017, it was revealed that Fox would feature in the debut line of WWE fashion dolls by toy brand Mattel. Filmography. Personal life. Crawford has a younger sister named Christina, who was also a professional wrestler and is now a Tampa Bay Buccaneers cheerleader. Prior to becoming a professional wrestler, Crawford was a model and signed with WWE after being seen in a fashion catalog by John Laurinaitis. Championships and accomplishments. Notes.